In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add space before a capital letter in Excel. This is a common cleanup task when you have combined text and you want each capital letter to start with a visible space for readability. First, click cell B2, which is the cell next to your first combined text string. As you do this, make sure you are selecting the correct starting cell in the output column because the formula will be built into that cell and then copied downward. Next, type the following formula into cell B2, =reduce A2. This formula is designed to scan for capital letters. Then insert a space right before each capital letter, without changing the rest of the text. Now press Enter on your keyboard to add spaces before the capital letters. After you press Enter, look at the result inside cell B2. You should see that each capital letter now has a leading space, which makes the combined string easier to read. Once you confirm the output looks correct in B2, click cell B2 again. This is important because the next steps depend on Excel knowing exactly which cell contains the correct formula. Then hover over the bottom right corner of cell B2 until a black plus sign, which looks like a small cross, appears. This black plus sign is Excel's fill handle. It tells you that you can automatically extend the formula to other rows below without retyping everything. When the plus sign appears, double-click it to flash fill the formula down the column into the cells beneath. Watch column B as it fills. Excel will try to detect the pattern and apply the same logic to the matching rows in column A. If your data is arranged normally, it should fill the entire column where text exists. After the formula has been filled down, click cell B2, press Ctrl+C to copy it, and then right-click where you want to paste the results. Choose Paste as Values. This step matters because it locks in the displayed text, rather than keeping the original formula. Once you paste as values, the output becomes stable, and you avoid recalculation issues if the source changes. Next, click the Home tab at the top of Excel. From there, you will use an option that helps clean up spacing. This is especially useful because when you work with text transformations, you might end up with extra spaces that are not needed. Finally, click Trim, or choose the Trim option to remove any leading spaces. If you see an option related to wrapping with Trim, you can use Trim to standardize spacing and remove any extra spaces at the start or in between where it is not intended. The goal here is to make the text look uniform and professional. Now, take a quick look at the cleaned output in column B to ensure that the spaces are exactly what you want. At this point, you should have readable text where spaces appear before capital letters, with no unnecessary leading spaces remaining. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.